Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Ecosport bonnet without a key. First, locate the bonnet release lever, typically found on the passenger side footwell or near the driver's door. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a click as the primary latch disengages. Now, move to the front of the vehicle and gently lift the bonnet a few inches. You'll then need to find the secondary safety catch. Once the primary latch is released, you'll need to locate the secondary safety catch. This is usually a small lever or hook situated directly under the front edge of the bonnet, often near the Ford emblem. Carefully reach your hand into the gap and feel around. You'll typically need to push this lever either to the side, usually to the left or sometimes upwards, to fully disengage the bonnet. With both latches disengaged, you can now fully lift the bonnet. It might be a bit heavy, so be prepared. Once open, look for the prop rod, usually clipped to the underside of the bonnet or along the engine bay. Detach the prop rod and insert its end into the designated slot or hole. This is designed to securely hold the bonnet in the open position, ensuring it stays up safely while you work. Before closing, double-check that all tools and items are clear from the engine bay. To close, simply lift the bonnet slightly to remove the prop rod, then lower it gently until it's about 6 to 8 inches from the closed position. Let it drop the rest of the way to engage the primary latch. You should hear a satisfying click. For more helpful tips and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.